Okay, I came up with a random spreadsheet here about some employees and how many weeks they worked and how many hours per week in average. And in the end, we can see the total hours they have worked. So what we want to calculate, first, you can see here that the total hours are simply the weeks multiplied by the hours per week. Okay. So what we want to do is to sum up the total weeks of all employees, what they have worked together. So we want to type in total down here to sum this up. And what we can do is to type a equal sign and then add up one and the next and the next, but that's too hard to do this. You can also type in sum, open the brackets, and mark the cells you want to add up, and we come up with a total result. But there is a much more easy way to do this. You can click into the cell you want to have the result in, and it should be the cell below your numbers you want to sum up. Then you search for formulas and click autosum here. And now Excel is searching the numbers you want to add up, and this is exactly the right space, the right cells, and we click return and have the total. So you want to make sure that you have all cells together, because if you click autosum now under the total hours, you only get the total hours of this space, but we want the total hours of the whole space. So you have to make sure that all your numbers you want to add up are together in one column, and there is no empty space in between. So we click autosum and press the return button and get the total hours our employees have worked. So that's an easy way to sum up all the numbers in a column. I hope I could help you, and I wish you a nice one.